Guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today we bring an entry-level smartphone for you. It's from Oukitel, and the model name is Oukitel C31, and it's the cheap phone and very low-end smartphone for Oukitel. And today we will have a very quick and very simple unboxing video on this latest model from Oukitel. And first, we will talk on the box, and then we will go to the smartphone, and we will talk about the specification, the design, the battery, the processor, the cameras, battery, the GPU, CPU, and also the other main features of this entry-level phone. So first, this time the Oukitel, they have pure orange box for this entry-level phone, and we can find the brand name on front and left and right side of the box, and also we can find the model name here, the C31, the Oukitel C31, the model information, and also the color is black. So yes, next let's check the back of the box, and here we find some basic information of this model, Oukitel C31. And here is the screen, 6.5 HD plus IPS screen, Android 12 quad-core processor, MediaTek 6761, and RAM and ROM 6GB RAM plus 13GB ROM, and also the rear camera, 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and that you have GPS, coordinate, spatial, and the Galia, and also the battery 5150 big batteries, and also the Android 12 and over 4G. So it's I think it's a very cheap 4G smartphone. So next, let's check what's inside the box and check the appearance of this entry-level model. So after we open the box, we find the phone is in front of us with the in the soft bag. And before we check smartphone, we go to the accessories, and also here is the most affordable cutting-edge phone. Yeah, so this is the position. Give the position of this C-series phone, C31, and this is the user manual of this model, and also here I think some instructions of the battery, yes, and the charging battery, and here's the warranty certificate card. So first let's put them aside, and then under the paper we get the cable. So it's a Type-C cable, yes, Type-C cable, and also a very small charge. This phone doesn't have the fast charge, so very small charger. Okay, let's push them back, and so this is all the stuff in this box. Okay, let's put all these accessories aside and then check smartphone. Okay, so now let's get the phone, and we can see when we get the phone out from the soft box, it was well protected by a soft and transparent case. Okay, so this is a transparent soft plastic case, and things I should mention is that its four corners was enhanced by the plastic here. Four corners well protected by the case, and very soft case, transparent case. So this is nice for the corner to protect phone from dropping. And so here let's also remove this from the back cover of the phone. Okay, Wow. Okay, so after we remove the mark of this phone, finally the Oukitel C31 is in front of us, and something very strange is that the box shows this black, but actually we get blue. So strange. And first, I will talk about the design. And this phone is the entry-level phone and cheap, low-end. So from the design, we can find it. The back cover is all plastic, and also the phone, the frame is also not metal and also plastic covered. You have the wardrobe screen, and when I hand it in my hand, we can feel the phone is really light. From the specifications, we know this only 207 grams, and also the size is not so big. Actually, my hand is not so big, but you can see, so I can easily to control it with one hand, and the length is 165, and the width is 77.6, and also width is 9.5 mm. So it's not big, and the phone is light and not so big, easy to control. And also from the design, we know it's just not so attractive. It's so, and all plastic, not shiny, but kind of AG glass technology or sand polish feeling. Not easy to left your fingerprint on it. And okay, so this phone of course will not give you a high-end feeling. And also from here you find this is the camera design, LED flashlight, and 1 2 3 camera, triple cameras, HD camera, and here one front camera. And also we can find some information here on the screen protector. So this one is the CPU is a quad core. It's from MTK. So MTK chips, and it's MTK MT76761. So it's a low-end chip. And also from the camera, it's 5 megapixel front camera and 30 megapixel main rear cameras, and RAM 3+16. Screen size is 6.5 inch HD plus screen. Battery 5150. Big battery. Actually, I think this is for the entry for the user of this smartphone. This one is really nice. For the low-end smartphones, have big batteries. Also, it has the Android 12, and it supports Face ID, so you can use the Face ID to unlock the smartphone, and also have a flashlight. Like so. Okay, so this is almost the main specifications of this model. And I think for the something I should mention is that for this one it have the charger, 10-watt charge, and also the RAM and ROM is support eMMC and LPDDR3, so not so good. Just a so chips. And also this time for the cameras, for the front cameras, it support anti-wide angle is 86 wide angle for the front camera, and for the rear cameras it's a 2.2 apertures, and also the wide angle is 81 wide angle, and support AF autofocus for the camera, and also this time the screen. Okay, I can peel this off and wake up turn on the smartphone to show you the screen performance. Yes. Okay, so now let's wake up the phone and let's check the performance of the screen. So yes, when we wake up smartphone, we can find the big chain and big bezels of the smartphone. It's a water drop screen, and yes, the the screen performance is so-so, and this time the screen they use a 18:9 aspect ratio screen, and support 720 and 1600 resolution screen resolution, and the PPI is 270 PPI, and also for this time they have the peak brightness is 400 nit up to 400 nit bright contrast on this about this screen. And yes, and we think we can check the camera of this model. Yes, let's find the camera icon here. We can take a testing of this model, and here put a subject here and take picture. So we have a video, picture, beauty mode, mono mode, and also we change it to mono mode. We can find the object tends to blue. Okay. Now let's go to the front camera. Okay, change to the. So the front camera support beauty mode as well. Let's take a selfie. So it's not support focus of image. So it's for the front camera. Okay, front camera actually is not so fast. I can do another test, another shooting. Yes, okay. Let's go to check the performance of the camera. So here, this is the actually the camera is not so good. We cannot find the details of the words on the object. Let's check the front one. Okay, front camera here. Actually, for the front camera, we can get the information like here 100 times zoom, and also we can find some details, some lines when we use the front camera. Actually, the front camera is better than I thought, but for the real one, it's actually not so good. Let's take another shooting. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, same. This time same. Actually, the from the real cameras is not so good as I thought. Also here we can find the flashlight app. They have a separate app for the flashlight. And okay, so this is a very quick and very simple unboxing video of this model, the Oukitel C31, and it's very cheap smartphone in the market. If you want to buy a smartphone for your kids or for the parent, if they don't have too much demand on the specification, they just want to want to call somebody, and this one I think you should take it into consideration. Big batteries, 4G, and cheap. So yes, this is very quick, very simple unboxing video on this model, and hope you like it. Let's stay tuned and wait for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks. Bye bye.